Pollution.
Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. But what causes air pollution, and what does it mean for our planet? Some air pollution comes from natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or allergens. But most air pollution results from human activities, such as energy use and agriculture.
There are seven main types of pollution that affect our environment. Air pollution is the contamination of natural air with different types of pollutants, including fumes and chemicals. Air pollution could increase rain acidity, contribute to the health conditions of the population, and affect global warming. Water pollution is the containment of Earth's water supply from chemicals, bacteria, or plastic waste. Oil leakage is one of the very common and well-known forms of pollution. Soil pollution is also known as land pollution, which is soil contamination from non-sustainable farming, mining, and hazardous wastage. Soil pollution can prevent the growth of natural life and lead to the loss of land that can be used for agriculture. Noise pollution is caused by loud noises from human activity that can disrupt the living standards of those nearby. Noise pollution isn't the most drastic form of pollution, but it can disrupt the nature in affected areas or cause people to experience hearing loss. Radioactive pollution is the most dangerous form of pollution for the earth. Radioactive pollution can lead to the mass extinction of ecosystems, nature, or even humans. Light pollution is the overillumination of a certain area that interferes with astronomical observation. A common form of light pollution is when you cannot see the stars when you look up at the sky, even though there are always stars in the sky. Thermal pollution is the increase of temperature in a particular area over time. Thermal pollution could affect the air from a release of carbon gases or could affect water from the misuse of hydropower. This is Whiting Overlook Park, located in Midland, Michigan. Many teenagers and young adults living in Midland, such as myself, refer to it as Overlook. This is a common place many people go to visit with friends. People drive up to the top of the hill and sit there and hang out. The Great Lakes Bay Directory refers to Overlook as an opportunity to relax and enjoy the wildlife, but in all reality, you sit and look at Dow DuPont, formerly known as Dow Chemical.
Dow Chemical Company, polluting our rivers, poisoning our land, and now controlling our food? During U.S. military action in Vietnam, Dow Chemical won a government contract to supply Napalm B, used in bombs and flamethrowers. Dow Chemical was also the largest supplier of Agent Orange, a chemical mixture used to destroy the jungles of Vietnam. Toxic to humans, Vietnam estimates Agent Orange killed or maimed 400,000 people. Red Cross estimates nearly 1 million people are disabled or have health problems due to Agent Orange. Now, Dow Chemical wants to ramp up the use of 2,4-D, a component of Agent Orange, on the food we eat. Do we really want Dow Chemical producing the food we eat? Consider the record. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency asked Dow Chemical to clean up the Tittabawassee River after nearly a century of releasing dioxins into the environment. Dow Chemical marketed its chlorpyrifos insecticide as safe, despite numerous studies linking the chemical with neurological effects, developmental disorders, and autoimmune disorders. In fact, Dow Chemical agreed to pay $2 million to the state of New York for illegally marketing chlorpyrifos as safe, but continues to apply the chemical to food we eat. Dow Chemical also manufactured military weapons, explosives, tear gas, mustard gas, and now it wants farmers to spray hundreds of thousands of pounds more of its chemical 2,4-D on their crops. Tell the USDA to stop Dow Chemical's Agent Orange crops.